Okay, so you're playing Hogwarts Legacy and it's your internet connection, it's not stable. So what you have to do, I'm gonna show you a couple of methods, two methods to be more precisely and precise. And I can't guarantee you these methods will work, but maybe for some of you this will give you a better result, and you'll be able to just to have fun and enjoy the game instead of just being frustrated because of the experience that you have. So what you can do is to go here on open network and internet settings, then go to advanced network settings, and now you can click on more network adapter options, and here click on your internet connection that you're using, go to properties, and now click on internet protocol version 4 and click on properties, and here make sure you select use the following DNS servers addresses, and here write 888, and now here write 8844. Okay, and now click on OK and close. Okay, perfect. That's one way. Another way is just to change your internet connection. As you can see here now, I have a hotspot from a phone that I have around my house, old phone, and I just hotspot from the phone. But you can also use your cable connection. I'm sure it's much faster if you use a cable connection. And also another thing that you can try, you can write here in the search bar cmd and run as administrator. Okay, run as administrator, and now yes, and here make sure you copy and paste, follow copy and paste, and copy this first command. I'll leave in the description of this video all these commands. Copy this one, paste it here, the second one, okay, by one, just copy, paste, and then after the first one has been completed, like it's done, you can move to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Okay, that's another way to fix the problem. And you can also go and scan your computer. You can also go here, Windows updates, not scan but update your computer. Sometimes when you have some Windows updates running in the background or waiting to install them, sometimes can give you some problems. At least that's for me, but yeah, maybe it will help you as well. So yeah, that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if this video helped you. And if not, just leave your feedback down below. I really like to read your feedback. Thank you for watching and take care.